So Charlie normally schools us in class, and today I'm going to school her on how to apply sunscreen. The first type is the lotion. For this, Charlie, you want to apply a full shot glass.
A shot glass full?
To your bod, which is a lot when you see it coming out of the tube.
Full body, like head to toe?
Head to toe. This is how much you need. Next up is the foam, which is a fun new texture for sunscreen. It's the same deal when you apply a lotion. You just want to do a shot glass full. When you put it on, you want to make sure that you're not missing any spots and getting streaky, because nothing is worse than a finger streak tan. So next up is a spray, and a lot of people like to treat spray sunscreens like perfumes, which means that they don't get enough of them. So you want to make sure that you hold it on 2 seconds for each part of your body.
Would you get my back?
You got it.
Whoa.
Next up is the stick, and you really want to use it for your face because it provides a nice thick layer to the skin. A lot of people just do 1 layer, but a dermatologist told me that you actually want to do 2 and then rub it in. So the most commonly missed areas are the ears, the inner corners of the eyes, and the eyelids.